Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. One really easy seamless pattern. So let's just draw it. Let me just delete this one. Just a couple of things you need to think about when you're drawing this. Hold down the control button, make a perfect square. Get the shape tool, hold down the control button, and that'll bring in these two corners. Now we're going to make it something other than a hairline. So I'm going to make it like 8 point. Well, let's make it a little bit thicker. 12 points. Go ahead and turn it black. Go up to effects and contour. We're going to contour 5 times and a quarter an inch. Now I want to go and break the contour apart. This is what you have to do to make this work perfectly. Hit F12 on your keyboard and scale with object. You'll see why in just a second. Control D to duplicate. Hold down the control button and just move it over with that arrow. You don't even have to group it together. Control D, hold down the control button and make that right there. Now we're going to group it together. If we had not scaled by object, when we make this thing 2 by 2, the lines would intersect. Now, instead of using the Control D to duplicate, let's go to Windows, Dockers, and Transform. Yours might say transformation in an earlier version. It already knows that it's 2 inches. So I'm going to put it right here, and I'm going to make 7 across. And then I'm going to select them all again, and I'm going to put it down and make 7 down. Now, the reason I did not convert it to an object, this way the black lines are all the same. Because in all reality, if we go to view and wireframe, that's a line going through there that's touching. But when it's no matter, until you convert it to an object, it is always going to be a hairline that we made thicker, but when you're duplicating it over. And then of course I just made it yellow to make it kind of stand out for your viewing on your computer. But it's pretty sweet, pretty easy. So think about the transform or transformation docker next time you're duplicating something. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.